In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Intercom. Intercom is a customer messaging platform where you can manage conversations, automate support, send updates, and keep track of the people who contact you. I will walk you through the main areas you will use most often, so you can navigate with confidence. Start by clicking the inbox icon. This is your command center for live and ongoing customer conversations. Here you can view messages that are currently active, read the full thread, and reply in context. As you work in the inbox, take a moment to scan the conversation details so you respond accurately and keep the tone consistent. This is also where you will spend time when you are actively supporting users in real time. Next, navigate to Fin AI. This area is designed to help the AI answer questions automatically, which can reduce response time and lighten the load on your team. The key task here is to sync your help articles. When your help content is connected, the AI has accurate information to reference when it generates answers. Make sure your articles are clear and up to date, since the AI can only be as helpful as the knowledge you provide. After that, click Automation, then choose Workflows. Workflows let you build structured paths that route chats to the right team. For example, you can direct billing questions to one group and technical issues to another. Routing keeps conversations organized and helps customers reach the right specialist faster. As you set these up, focus on making the paths simple and predictable so chats do not get stuck or misdirected. Then select Outbound and Open Messages. This is where you send proactive communication to your users, such as product news, important updates, or email announcements. Outbound messages help you reach users before they need to ask for help. Keep your message content clear, timely, and focused on what the user needs to know. Finally, Open Contacts. This section shows user data and their previous interaction history. Reviewing a contact record helps you understand the full context of a request, including past conversations and any patterns in support needs. That context can help you respond faster and more accurately. That covers everything you need to know.